Hello viewers, today I will teach you about the helping verbs of all tenses. I made the chart in a very simple way to memorize this helping verbs in a easy way. There are the certain things which are written here. Do or does. In the first portion, do or does for the present simple tense. This is the first column which is for the indefinite tense or simple tenses. So we can understand for the present simple tense we use do or does. In the past simple tense we use did. Or for the future simple tense we use will or shall. Now for the second column. Second column we use here as a continuous tenses. In a present continuous tense we use is, am, are as a helping verbs. Past continuous tense we use was, were, and for the third portion here for the future continuous tense we use here will be or shall be. Now for the fourth column is about the perfect tenses. For the present perfect tenses we use has or have, and for the past perfect tenses we use had, and for the future perfect tenses we use will have or shall have. You can see here have also. Now for the fifth column, perfect continuous tenses. Here for the present perfect continuous tense we use has been or have been. In the past perfect continuous tense we use had been, and for the third one future perfect continuous tense we use will have been or shall have been. This is very easy way to understand and learn all type of helping verbs of all tenses. I hope you will understand it.